Want to update your Facebook cover photo? Let's change it directly from your iPhone. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to change your Facebook cover photo on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Go to your Facebook profile by tapping on your current profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you are on the profile page, you will see an Edit Profile button. Tap on it. In the Edit Profile section, you will find an Edit button right beside the cover photo option. Tap on it. Now, tap on the Upload Photos option. This will open your photo library. Select the photo that you want for your cover photo and tap on it. Tap on the Done button from the top right corner of your screen. Finally, tap on the Save button from the top right corner of your display. Your cover photo will be updated. And this is how you can change Facebook cover photo on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.